Hello kids, let's learn some 2D shapes. This is black color. Let us draw the shapes. It is 7-pointed star. It has 7 points. It is circle. It is left arrow. It is pentagon. It is cross. It is heart. Now let us know about the color name. These are our colors. It is yellow color, light green color, pink color, blue color, orange color, red color. Now let us color the shapes. Yellow color, it is 7-pointed star. It is light green color. It is circle. It is pink color. It is left arrow. It is blue color. It is pentagon. It is orange color. It is cross. It is red color. It is heart. Kids, let us recall the shape's name and color name once again. It is 7-pointed star, yellow color, circle, green color. This is left arrow, pink color, pentagon, blue color, cross, orange color, heart, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.